How to add photos to Notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. It allows users to create various types of notes, including checklists, text-based notes, and those with multimedia like images, sketches, and even scanned documents. Once you're here, you can view all your notes. If you want to add a new note, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the new note icon. Here, type in the note title. For example, photo. Then, go to your keyboard below and tap on the attachment icon as shown. Tap on Choose Photo or Video. You can now choose photos or videos from your camera roll. Select the photo that you want to add to your note. Then, tap on Add at the top right corner. You have now successfully added this photo to your note. Following these steps, you can easily add photos to Notes on iPhone.